What color are the birds?
Violet.
Gray, white, violet,
Mm-hmm.
orange, yellow, green,
Oh, wow.
and also black.
Black. Wow.
Others.
You have also word, huh? This one, we call it power blue. Cobalt power blue.
His name is King Joe. His
And this
name.
one is violet opaline.
Oh, he fall down and
This one is the cock and this one is the hen.
Look, he fall down.
No, he just go down.
Look, he fall. He's so beautiful.
Yeah.
He's so beautiful. And he look like. Look, he got his wings on.
Oh,
With
wow.
ring, look at the legs. It has a ring. See?
Look, he climbing in the cage. Climbing in the cage and we're going to sell. What is that? What is that?
What else?
Another one. Another one. Oh!
And what's the color of that one?
He got orange and yellow. What color is this?
A mauve.
Oh, it's
Like gray?
Green. What is it?
it's move.
Mauve. Mauve.
It's move.
Okay.
He's playing. Look, he's playing cotton rubber.
Mm-hmm. What's the sound of the bird?
Tweet.
Tweet. Not cock-a-doodle-doo. Natthew.
Look.
Uh-huh.
What else?
Let's give that.